Okay, so how do I just click? Uh-oh. Okay, so then how do I get myself with audio?
So you already have audio, Judge. They're listening to you. You don't have video.
Why?
Oh, right here on the bottom, on the left, you see the mouse? We have
oh,
to
okay. I see. Thank you.
You're welcome, Judge.
Okay, I see it. Good morning. Can you all hear me?
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
Yes, Judge.
Miss Tate, you're going to be my point person. Can you hear me? No.
I can hear you, but I don't think I'm the point person today.
This happens every time.
Yes.
They can't hear me and I can't hear them.
1 second, Judge. Let me go back in right quick.
Thank you.
Judge, this is Jeff Marcus. Can you hear me? I can hear you.
Mhm.
I don't think she's hearing.
Jeff, I can hear you.
Okay, I can hear you now. Can you all hear me?
I can
Yes.
hear you.
This is Melissa McNeil. Can everybody hear me?
I can hear you, Melissa.
Oh, we're good?
Yes, thank you.
Can you hear me, Judge?
Yes, I can. I just have to turn the volume up. Give me just 1 second.
Sure.
Sorry, my computer, I guess, like deleted the app or something like that.
You can talk to her.
Okay.
You can talk to her. She can hear me.
Florida versus Nikolas Cruz. We're here for a status hearing. The defendant's presence has been waived. Ms. McNeil, is that correct?
That's correct, Judge, because this is a status hearing.
Okay. So I'm going to let the lawyers sort of take the lead here and let me know what issues need to be addressed as far as the status is concerned.
What case do you want to address first, Judge?
Why don't we go ahead and address your case since you're talking 181958 CF10A, the homicide case.
Mr.
Who wants to go first? Mr. Marcus, Ms. McNeil?
I'm waiting. I think we're still missing a co-counsel, Judge.
Okay, I admitted everyone who has requested to join. What co-counsel are you missing?
Gabe.
Okay, let me see.
I'll text him.
It says he's waiting here.
Okay, you have to let him in now.
Okay, how about now?
Let's see. We can go to participants, Judge, and then we can see if he's in. Mr. Ermine, are you in?
I see him.
I'm in.
Okay.
Thank you. Good morning.
Mr. Ermine, the judge is going to address the Parkland case first.
Okay. Are we ready?
You all hear that doorbell sound?
It's every time you let somebody into the room, Judge, or tries to get in the room. So
Well, I hit admit all at the beginning. I don't know why. Oh, come on. Okay. Who wants to start?
Judge, I can start.
Okay, go ahead.
Gabe Berman on behalf of Mr. Cruz. Good morning. I guess just so the record's clear, I know I can see pretty much everybody here that it's a Zoom hearing. I'm at my house. The other members of the defense team are at their house. I believe the state's at their house. If there's any connectivity issues or anyone has trouble hearing me, please speak up or raise a hand. So it's a status hearing. We did waive Mr. Cruz's appearance because we're going to just have a status, nothing of substance. I believe the court was in agreement with that. So let me start by giving the update and the status. When the courthouse closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic, that was on March 16th, 2020. At that time, we canceled 25 scheduled depositions. Of those 25, 16 were civilians, including listed victims. 9 of those were law enforcement officers, including BSO homicide detectives, as well as detectives from the crime scene. We are in conversations now with the state, starting to set some Zoom depositions. I guess the powers that be had to coordinate and work out the kinks on that. I don't even know if all law enforcement agencies are agreeing to it, but at least the ones that are for the time being, we're starting to set those. We do have some scheduled dates for Zoom depositions in July. I'm being told that there are dates that are in agreement with the state and with the defense. However, I just found out within the past maybe hour that those are still pending the court report availability. So hopefully the court report will be good and we can move forward with some depositions via Zoom starting in July. Those will be law enforcement depositions. The state asked for a list of any civilian depots, and I'm sure someone from the state will speak up if I say something wrong, but I'm not sure if they're agreeing to take any surviving victims depositions via Zoom at this point. So we are going to start with law enforcement and see how that goes and proceed from there. I want the court to know, and rest assured, we have been working diligently during the courthouse closure period. We have been in conversations, emails with the state. The state has continued to provide some supplement discovery. We went through 567 C witnesses and came up with an initial list of 7 that the defense felt should be aid witnesses, and we should be able to depose. We reached out to the state, to Mr. Marcus, Ms. Chiapponi, with our initial list. They reviewed it, they got back to us, and they are in agreement. So we are moving forward, and we are in communications. So that's going to, do away with some litigation and some motions now that we're in agreement on this initial list of C witnesses, and hopefully we'll get those moving along once we realize that the depositions are going to go forward. On top of that, we've been working on motions. We have written roughly about 24 motions over the past 2.5 months since we've been working remotely. They have not been filed yet. Some are, the law has been down, motions to suppress, motions to eliminate, motions, death penalty motions. Some still need some depositions to clear, to get some of the facts down. But we are working on motions also. The expert situation, on March 11th, the Florida Supreme Court issued its ruling regarding our experts in our appeal. On March 16th, the courthouse closed. So once it's safe for experts to go in, we are ready to have them go in once everything's safe as far as the jail is concerned. That's basically the status at this point.
Okay. State, Mr. Marcus, Mr. Satz, Ms. Tate.
Your Honor, the only thing that, we can say is, we agree with Mr. Ermine said, but it'd be good if we can get some of those defense motions so we can start responding to them.
Okay, Mr. Ermine, the ones that don't require further depositions, can you get those filed as soon as possible?
We'll work on that, Judge.
I mean, really, I don't know, because we're all in the same boat here. I have no idea. I don't think anyone has any idea when the courthouse is going to reopen to the public as far as getting this trial underway or getting a motion set, but for the time being, I'm sure you all are aware the courthouse is closed at least until August 1st. When we will be able to get a large group of people here for jury selection, I don't know. Whether or not we're gonna have to figure out some other way to select a jury in this case, I don't think anyone knows at this point. We have to take it one day at a time, quite frankly. However, the chief judge and I are very open to any suggestions. If you all have any kind of, I don't know, creative suggestions as to how we could get this case underway in a more timely manner as far as the trial is concerned. I was thinking of a few things myself, but like I said, I don't think that we're there yet. But as far as, you know, at this point, even if we were open seating folks 6 feet apart and the number of people that we would need to start this trial, a number of prospective jurors that we would need.
Judge, your connectivity is going in and out on my end. I don't know.
Is it? Okay, maybe I need to turn the.
I hear you now.
Okay, I turned the volume up. I apologize. I was just saying that at this point, all of the issues that would come to fruition if we were to take a large number of people and try to seat them as jurors, with the restrictions that we have and the social distancing and the mask requirements, we're not there yet. In case anyone's wondering. When we will be there, I don't know. But I would ask, please, that you all continue to keep working diligently on this case and have it prepared so that when we are able to accommodate prospective jurors and a trial, we can begin as soon as it's safe to do so. Is there anything else? It's nice to see you all.
We have nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
Okay,
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nice
okay.
seeing you too. Nice seeing everybody. Glad everybody's healthy.
So what I'll do is I'll just set another status, maybe in August, so we can just sort of check in and see where we are, if that works.
That's fine.
That's fine.
I'm thinking the end of August, maybe August 25th. Does that work?
Fine with the
Yes.
defense.
That's fine.
Okay. August 25th at 11 for a status. Sounds like you all are working well together. I'm happy to hear that. If you have any issues or need any assistance from the court, I'm here, and we're happy to help if we can, okay?
Thank you, Your
Thank you.
Honor.
Thanks,
Okay,
Judge.
we're in
Both cases were reset to the end of August, Judge?
Oh, thank you. You're talking about the companion case?
Correct, Your Honor. This is Maria Schneider on behalf of the state.
I can hear you, but I don't see you, but that's okay.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning. So I think we're in the same posture on the aggravated battery case.
Yes,
I'm inclined to set that for August 25th as well, if that suits you and the defense.
it's fine with the state.
That's fine with the defense, Your Honor. And Joseph Burke here on behalf of Mr. Cruz.
Good morning. Okay, I guess that's it. We're in recess. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.